Alright. Let's do this thing, Mo. Look at all those chilling rain packs. Oof. Beautiful. Yeah. I have one after this. I'm thinking out. We'll see. Oh, I have more on the way, so. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Card trick and lightning energy. Let me just push this back a little. Sure. Snow rat. Just those gloves are justified. And a Golurk. Yeah, you know. Gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet. Or just like Uber Eats one. Then you don't have to break any eggs. Let someone else break your eggs for you. That's what my friend Steve always said. Steve's my best buddy. Yeah. He's definitely a quality person. Skinny. Whoa, hollow single strike Urshifu? How delicious. Should move these all down so they can be seen. Yo, maybe this is another, like, god box like that other one. That'd be amazing. Imagine dragons. It's scary. It's okay, this is a Moltres pack, so it's gotta have a Moltres in it. Specifically the alternate full art one, you know, not just any old Moltres. Path to the peak. Expedition uniform. Oh, Tornadus V. Yeah, he's just P in this game instead of poo. Whoa, a Sandaconda V. My Sandaconda don't want none. Just in general, he's had enough of your shit, Mo. Mo, you don't keep a Sandaconda in your pants. You keep it in your Pokeball, obviously. My editor will take that out later. Joke's on him. I don't have anything of value to screw. Damn, don't want to watch my stream? So rude. Oh, okay. Have a good sleep, Steve. You just stay up. He's meeting a guy named Jim, Mo, okay? Direct. Hey, it's a cool Gengar that's licking stairs. I don't know why he's licking the stairs, but he is. What? That's just rude, Mo. Hey, Reverse Hollow Ampharos. Hey, Tornadus VMAX. Not bad. No, I've gotten all 3 types of Tornadus cards from Chilling Reign today. The VMAX. Yeah, but I got 2 V cards. Like, that's the first time I pulled that today. Oh shit. Ice Rider Calyrax VMAX. Nice. I don't think I have this yet. I only have the Shadow Rider. Da. He's good. Damn, Wrench is not even paying attention. What a piece of shit. I got Ice Rider Calyrax V Max. I feel like Ranch doesn't care about Pokemon anymore. No, he didn't. He sold a sealed product. It's different, Mo. He sold his innocence. I don't know. I don't think he ever really had any of it. Sorry, someone else. My mom. That'd be creepy, because you said it. Yeah, that's it. You got me, Mo. Did you see some of the news for Pokemon? There's a new region, and so there's like a Hisuian Growlithe or something like that. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. I just know it starts with an H. It's just like the next gen of Pokemon or something like that. So that means that there's probably going to be some of those in Fusion Strike, maybe. Or there's going to be a new, like, generation set. Like, they're going to move past Sword and Shield. And then it's going to be like Pokemon Legends, this Pokemon Legends, that. Because Sword and Shield's been around for a while now. Like, there's a lot of Sword and Shield sets compared to previous generation stuff. Alright, we're a little less than halfway through. Yeah, no, time flies. Nice. I think Alex is going through that phase. His hair was pretty long when we saw him. Whatever, Alexa. I wasn't going to give you any support anyways, so. I live in constant fear. Oh, what? Oh, it's a Serena and a Flabopple. So, someone pointed out to me the other day that the animation on this is incorrect because the circular part in the show stays attached to the red part, and now I can't unsee it. Like the little button in the middle, it's supposed to stay attached to the red part and detach from the silver part. Well, it's been like that since Pokemon cards were printed. So, no, but that Pokeball, like, graphic has been the same for the entire time that Pokemon cards have existed. Damn, we're hitting a dry spell here. Yeah, it involves Egypt. It's like a husband and wife who are like constantly fighting or have issues in their house, but then they're like, we should really help the neighbors 5 streets over. You know, they have some real tough times going on. They're sending thoughts and prayers, Mo. Damn, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10 packs left. Save all the best stuff for the end, you know? That's why you're not on camera, Mo. My hand is. No, he's very quiet. Try just turning it up. Damn. Is this actually like a garbage box? Is this a Mo box? Are you are you projecting, Luke? Or is this part of your simulation where you're normal and he's autistic? Oh, Shadow Sh- Shadow Rider Calyrex V full art. I don't think this isn't the alternate one. Yeah, I've gotten the V Max and I got the Ice Rider one, but I don't think this is the alternate art. I think the alternate art has him like hopping over something. But this is still like a really good pull. Like that's still good. Now we'll just pull the alternate art version of it that's worth like 120 bucks or something. Or the Blaziken. I don't know why the Blaziken's worth so much. I think it looks like a pretty trash card. But I guess Blaziken's just like a popular Pokemon. I want the Snorlax, golden Snorlax too. Oh shit, and an Ice Rider Calyrex. Okay. Okay. Let's see what these last 4 packs have got. I'm not gonna rip up the pack. Second last. Alright, last pack. So we got Ice Rider or Shadow Rider Full Art, Ice Rider VMAX, and Tornadus VMAX. So that actually was not a great box overall, unfortunately. And with that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.